this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a JavaScript object into JSON, and I'll show you how to convert JSON into JavaScript. So right now, this is the code from the previous video, and I'm going to get rid of this function all the way to print no matter. So I'm going to comment that out. So I'm going to press Control question mark. It's going to comment it out. If you are on Mac, you can press Command question mark, and as you notice, it will convert it into a comment, and that code will not work because it's like a note. So I'm gonna move it down. Alright, and I'm gonna create a JavaScript object. So I'm gonna type in constant char equals to, and then we are going to use curly braces, and let's add some data here. So name BMW, model X5, we have some data there. And let's say that we want to convert this object into JSON. So all I have to do is I'm going to type in JSON.stringify, and then you open two parentheses, and you add the name of that object, which is car, and let's print that to the user. So let's print this to the user. So you see, I can use one line here just to print that out. So you see, I'm saying my elements inner HTML, and I'm using JSON.stringify followed by the name of the object, which is car. And you see, we are printing it on the page, and we have that JSON ready. So this is now a JSON string, and it's perfect for sending to a server or saving it in local storage. Now let's do the opposite. So let's say that we want to convert a JSON string back into a JavaScript object. We are going to make one. So I'm going to make a JSON string. So I'm going to say constant JSON string. Alright, so JSON string, and you see inside of the JSON string I have a JSON object. So you see I have a curly brace followed by the key and value. So you see key is name and John, name is John, and they are separated by a comma. We have learned this in the previous video, and let's say that we want to convert this JSON into a JavaScript object. So to do that, I'm going to say constant my object. So my object, equals to, we are going to say JSON.parse followed by the name of that variable that stores our JSON string. In this case, it stores this string, the JSON string, and let's print this to the user. So I'm gonna print this one here, my elements.inner HTML equals to my objects.name. So you see, I'm just interested in the name, and it's not going to add it here because we have this line overriding it. So if I get rid of this line, let me press Control question mark, and you see it's going to print the first name here, John, because that's coming from this JSON. Alright, so JSON string, just like that. So this is how you reverse JSON back to JavaScript object, and this one is the opposite. This one is JavaScript object converting it into a JSON string. So we have learned two things. So we have learned JSON dot JSON.stringify. All right. So JSON.stringify. We have learned this, and we have also learned JSON.parse. All right. So this one, the JSON.stringify, is when you go from object to string, and this one is when you go from string to object, or JSON, so JSON string to object. All right. So you see, these are the two things that we have learned. So these are the two things, JSON.stringify and JSON.parse. And I have added comments here so you can refer to the comments. All right. I hope that this video was easy and helpful, everybody.